There's a whole issue about whether Chinese national oil companies in their engagement with African economies are going to promote development.
Oil investment comes in from abroad. They bring in a lot of their own labor, a lot of their own materials, their own equipment, and they're almost like an enclave, and they don't directly help the domestic economies grow at all.
We are looking at the different countries and what is the impact of these companies on the economic development. We are going to compare what are the requirements in terms of environmental regulations, in terms of social engagement, and also in terms of linkages and local linkages.
So one of the areas of debate is how now to improve, shall we say, the link between the investment on the ground and the broad economic development for the country.
One of the key issues that probably comes up, especially given the oil price fall, that sort of environment, is how would the oil price fall and the volatilities affect the linkage or the localization practices of these companies. What we are doing is to compare Chinese national oil companies, their supply chains, with the supply chains of international oil companies, such as BP and Shell operating in Africa, to see how distinctive the Chinese model is.
So linkages now are about what can the oil companies do that would help other sectors of the economy grow as well. And that can be something as simple as develop personnel, start doing scholarships to send local citizens to go get degrees in oil engineering or manufacturing of the high-tech equipment.
So the questions that remain for the project, what is the nature and extent of these linkages on the ground? The stronger the link, then the greater the prospects for economic development.
What are the outcomes in developmental terms of the engagement of Chinese national oil companies in these countries?